Dear viewers, very warm welcome to you National Botanical Garden. Viewers, right now I am showing you parrot and you can hear its voice as well. This is the green parrot and these parrots are very rare now because their habitat loss is humongous, and due to the cutting of old trees and all the parrots have been vanished. Very few are remaining, and this is a rare moment. You can see that these parrots there are three different types of parrots were there, but now even this one, which was the most common, there was the red-headed parrot, or there was Alexandrine parrot, the big parrot which is called the Roth hota as well, and this one. So viewers, I'm sure you have enjoyed this rare moment, especially in Lahore region. And still sitting there and uttering voices occasionally. You can hear the voice, you can hear the sound of the parrot as well. It is visiting my rooftop garden here. And is attracted with the greenery. Now it's gone away.